Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today we're making a healthy cabbage salad. So let's get started. Before I get started on cutting up all my vegetables, I'm going to go ahead and zest this lemon and make our sauce for the cabbage salad. So we'll zest this, and I'm going to save this lemon for the juice, because I'm thinking I need the juice down the line. I think that's enough. So for the juice, I'm going to use this. Never used it before, but it's hard for me to squeeze lemons because of my wrist. So I'm going to use this. Okay, here's our lemon juice. Got the seeds out and everything. Next we'll put in our yogurt. About 3.5 ounces is our sesame seeds. Dried basil, a clove of garlic, and olive oil. Salt and pepper. I don't add a lot of salt and I don't add a lot of pepper. And the reason is we don't need the salt, and one of us doesn't like that much pepper. So we have to add it when we're eating dinner, which is okay. I almost forgot, 1 tablespoon of honey. 1 tablespoon of honey. Okay, we are ready. Okay, our blend. This is our sauce for our cabbage salad. We're going to set this aside. Actually, we need to taste it. Lemon in it. We'll let those flavors marriage and then see what it tastes like on our cabbage salad. Okay, so now we'll start cutting or slicing our vegetables. Okay, now we're going to start chopping our vegetables. We're going to start off with this beautiful cabbage. I think I need to cut it this way. Now folks, I'm not an expert at this, and I don't really get things real thin like I probably should. But I'm going to do my best to make these as thin as I can for this salad. Some of these are going to have to be a little thicker. I'm not real good at this. And then there's just some parts that won't go in the bowl. They have to go up and be eaten just to make sure they're good. I love cucumbers. Raw cucumbers are the best. Okay, now I'm going to add just a little salt and pepper, and then we'll toss it. Okay, it's time to try some of this wonderful salad. All right, and you remember the sauce we made, so we're going to put some of this sauce on here, and then we're going to toss it. I just want enough of a bite to know if I'm going to like that sauce, so. Interesting. The flavors of the bell pepper, the cabbage, the carrot, and the onion mixed with that sauce. It's a great salad. It's a wonderful salad, and it's going to be really healthy. And I love this kind of stuff. Should have cut these up though. But it's really good. A little too much lemon juice. I can always add some more yogurt, I guess. I think that's what I'm not really caring about it is all that lemon juice that I got out of the lemon with that lemon core I guess that's what you would call it. Anyway, folks, this could be a really good salad. Thank you for stopping by, and you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.